Hey everyone, Leanne here from Kingdom Bloggers. So today I'm going to share with you 10 ways that you can earn income as a Christian creator in the online space. You know, many of us get into this. Hopefully, your motivation is to share the gospel in the digital space, and your sole motivation is not just to how can I make money, but obviously, earning income is a part of your journey, whether it's simply to pay for the bills or you're hoping to turn this into a profitable business to support your family or reach your income goals, whatever it is. So many of us get into this thinking blogging, and then we're kind of disappointed when we don't see that money rolling in because so many bloggers talk about how they earn tens of thousands of dollars with their blog. Blogging encompasses many different things other than just the blog itself. So I'm going to go over 10 specific areas or ways that you can begin earning income. And I'm also going to share them in a way that's kind of in order of which ones could bear fruit faster and which ones may take the longest. All right, let's get into it. So the first one is digital products. And I'm not talking about digital products just to promote via your blog. I am a huge proponent of creating digital products to sell in marketplaces such as Etsy. So if you already have digital products and the only place you're selling them is through like the Stripe interface on your blog, well, that's why you're not making any money because nobody's coming to your blog right now. Like your blog doesn't have any traffic. So putting them into a marketplace where people literally go to purchase digital products is, if you didn't know, Etsy is a search engine. People go there and they search for things. Digital products can start bearing fruit very, very quickly. I actually just launched a second Etsy shop, and within the first week, I made 2 sales. And I'm going to talk a little about how I did that in just a minute. But my first shop, my regular shop, I regularly make a couple of $100s a month with very minimal products on it. And I also very minimal promotion of it. So if you're not selling your products on Etsy, you're missing out on an income opportunity. But Etsy's not the only place. I also have all of my products duplicated on a platform called Gumroad. I do have a full video that talks about that, and I will try to remember to link it below. But putting them in different places, you know how they always say, don't put all your eggs in one basket. So with your digital products, find multiple places that you can sell them. Teachers Pay Teachers is another platform that you can sell certain types of digital products because that's what people go there to look for. Digital products are the quickest way to start seeing income much faster than just trying to do it via your blog. The next part with kind of with digital products, but in a little different way, is Amazon KDP. Amazon, y'all, like everybody shops on Amazon. You can find journals, coloring books, workbooks, game books, activity books, things like that. I actually have 2 products on Amazon KDP right now. I have a scripture coloring book that does fairly well. And I also have a Christian bloggers devotion. It's like a 30-day devotional for Christian influencers and bloggers. And it does pretty well too. And this year, I actually plan to put more products on there. But Amazon KDP, it's Amazon. So also, you do want to promote it outside of the platform, the same with Etsy. Don't rely on just the platform itself. The more external marketing that you can do of your stuff. And when I say marketing, I don't mean paying for ads. I mean simply telling people about it, like on social media and other places that you have a following. All right. So number 3 kind of follows this suit, but this is offering an affiliate program for the products that you do have. If you have an affiliate program, then other content creators can help promote your products in exchange for a small commission. Why should you do all the work in trying to market your stuff? Other content creators have audiences that are interested in your type of products. And so it benefits both of you when you offer an affiliate program. By the way, it's very hard for Christian content creators to get accepted into the Etsy affiliate program. And so that's why also I have all of my products listed on Gumroad. Super easy to create an affiliate program through there. And the amount of income I earn through my Gumroad affiliates kind of compares, it's pretty equal to what I earn on my own. And so basically, because I have an affiliate program, I'm doubling my earnings. All right, number 4. So this one, probably surprised about this one, but you can actually earn income from simply posting on social media. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Here's the thing though. If your activity in any, especially on Instagram and Facebook, if you're just sharing static pictures, like a picture of a verse or things like that, that's really not going to help you. But when you start creating engaging, educational, informative, or even entertaining videos, reels, that's when you start getting into the potential for earning income. So I don't really do it for my blog. Yes, I have Instagram and I share, regular blogging tips and stuff like that. But my income earnings actually come from Facebook because I share videos. So y'all, if you follow me for any amount of time, I have a garden and chickens and Dobermans, right? And if you go to my personal Facebook page, it's just chickens out the wazoo. I got little baby chicks. And then last year, my garden, those videos tend to go viral. More people actually engage and comment and ask questions. And because of that, I was invited into the Creator Rewards program. I think that's what it's called, through Meta. And lo and behold, my excitement when I started getting deposits into my bank account from Meta from my videos. So if you're good with creating video, then start posting them, post them on your blog page. But I'm earning them through posting them on my personal page of just regular everyday life stuff. But remember, y'all, they got to be engaging. Just a simple video with a verse on it, people really aren't going to engage with that. They might heart it, but engagement is where they're like commenting on it or even asking questions. That's even better. So yes, you can earn income. Now, TikTok, that's a whole nother ball game. I mean, I probably could have made that its own line item. There is a huge potential to earn income via the TikTok platform, not just from TikTok paying you, but there's a TikTok affiliate program to promote the products in the TikTok shop. Of course, driving traffic back to your own products through your link in bio. If you have a stand store, things like that. I'm not going to go too in depth on that one on this video, but posting on social media can actually earn you income, but you have to be strategic and it has to be certain types of content. All right. So number 5 is one we all know, my blog. How can I make money through my blog? Well, the truth is, until your blog starts getting significant amounts of traffic, organic traffic, people literally go to Google, type something in, your blog post shows up in their search results. So being consistent and understanding SEO to get that traffic going, but the potential is great. It just takes a lot longer. I would say the blog is probably the longest time to earning income. And when I say earning income, I'm talking about significant or consistent income. But through your blog, ad revenue, that's the goal. Hit that 50,000 sessions. You can apply to Mediavine. And then that's just money that's coming in every month. That's actually how I earn the majority of my income is through ad revenue. Of course, affiliate marketing. But again, you need traffic coming to those blog posts for people to click those affiliate links. And of course, promoting your own products. Everything we've already talked about on your blog specifically. The next one, number 6, would be a YouTube channel. YouTube is huge right now. Now, kind of along the lines of blogging, you have to get to a certain level of engagement, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, and then you can have ads on your videos. By the way, if you didn't know this, YouTube will already put the ads on there and YouTube will be making money from you. But once you reach that threshold, then you can start earning from those ads. I recently got my YouTube channel monetized, so I'm really excited about that. But with YouTube, it's not just about the ad revenue. As more people watch your videos, you can put links in the video description section that can link back to your website, that can link to a link in bio kind of store where you have products that you sell. You can use affiliate links in that section. So your YouTube videos have the potential, just like your blog, to earn various types of income depending on what you are offering. Number 7 is a podcast. And again, I would say this one's probably on the longer fruit bearing or taking longer to bear fruit, I should say. A podcast is great. Podcasts are huge right now. Of course, your podcast needs to serve a purpose, either educational, informational, or entertainment. And it needs to be engaging. If you're just rambling about stuff, people aren't going to continue coming back. But if you're offering really good content, people will listen. Again, in the show notes, you can put links back to your website, to your YouTube channel, to affiliate products that you mentioned. Also, once your podcast starts like getting more popular, like you're getting a good following, you have a lot of listeners, you can then seek out sponsorships to help, like, those mid-roll commercials that you hear. That's companies paying for a commercial, if you want to call it that, somewhere during your podcast episode. Okay, number 8, freelance services. If you have skills, offer them. Whether it's writing, please don't offer your writing ability if you don't understand SEO. That's just not being truthful. But if you understand SEO and you just don't want to do your own blog, you can offer your writing services to other bloggers. I actually have 2 full-time paid writers that that write my content for one of my sites. And so that's a service that you can offer. Maybe a virtual assistant. Maybe there's other skills that you have. Maybe you can create great graphics, or you're good with updating social media. There's so many different things. So if that's your thing, offer those services. But here's the thing, before you start offering your services, put together a portfolio. Show the proof that you know what you're doing. There's nothing worse than hiring somebody who said they can do something and then they can't do it. So please be honest in what your skills are. But freelance services are a really great way to earn some side income. And there's so many different things that you can do as a virtual assistant. Number 9, courses. Courses can be anything. Y'all, I have my courses on Teachable, and of course I teach this stuff. But if you go into like Udemy or other course platforms, there's courses for everything. There could even be courses for things like how to study the Bible. You could also call courses like Bible studies, like where they're led Bible studies. So instead of putting it in a book format, putting it in video format in a course platform. Courses are huge. Courses are how I learned how to take great pictures. So little photography courses. And the cool thing is there's multiple platforms. So like I have mine on Teachable, but I'm actually considering duplicating my courses onto other platforms such as Udemy, which are more like marketplaces for courses, to see if I can expand my earnings potential there. And number 10, the final one, is offering a membership. Now, you may think, well, I need something to offer a membership. In the Bible arena, like we're here as Christian content creators, Bible study is huge, y'all. People want to learn how to do Bible study, Bible journaling, things like that. You could create video content tutorials and have a paid membership where they could get the new study delivered to them every single month for, a nominal fee. Obviously, and before you go like, well, we shouldn't be charging money for scripture and all that. Okay, you're taking your gifts and talents and your time to create these videos, to gather all the information, put it in an understandable way, create printables, takeaways, and things like that. You should be compensated for those efforts. So it's not the study, like you're not selling Jesus, you're not selling scripture, you're selling the effort you put it into a ready-made package for somebody. I have to kind of put that disclaimer because I always get a few people who want to come with me or come at me with a negative comment about that. We're not peddling scripture on the side of the road. Using your gifts and talents and putting it in something, people are willing to pay for that. My friend Megan has a really great Facebook Bible study group. Now, she doesn't charge for people to be in the group, but at some point she could, because she has put a lot of effort into creating her Bible studies, creating video kind of formats for all of them, and then explaining different things. So Bible study, like teaching it, like if you're a Sunday school teacher or something like that, putting them into some sort of membership format, or even if it's not video, but you get new printable studies delivered every month that include questions and, reflection and worksheets and all the things in between. That's something that people would pay for. So there you have it. There are 10 things. So let's recap. Digital products sold in multiple locations, Amazon KDP, offering an affiliate program for all of your stuff, even those things we mentioned at the end, posting on social media. That's probably the one that most people are like, wow, I didn't know that. Your blog and the many ways through your specific blog that you can earn income, YouTube channel, podcasting, freelance services, courses, and membership. Now, there's probably some things I didn't think of, but those are kind of the 10 main ways that you can begin brainstorming ideas of how or where you have the talents and gifts that you could really put those to use in one of these places. I I would love to hear your questions. Please drop those questions below. If anyone is having luck in any of these areas, or maybe you're not having luck and you just don't know why, let me know that as well. Of course, I have my Facebook group. You guys can hop over to that. You can ask all the questions, get all the tech support. But my goal is to truly help you understand how all this digital platform stuff works so that you can figure out where you fit in it and begin building a ministry that serves God, shares the gospel, and also helps you earn a sustainable income for your family. All right, y'all, have a great week, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.